What's up, everybody? It's Amy here from Amy's Art Alchemy. Welcome back to my channel, the place to go to for tips, tricks, tutorials, and all things art related. So I have another thrifty find video to share with you. I purchased these a while back, but I still have to show you because it was such an amazing find and I love it. So you know my love for textiles. I mention it on probably almost every video how much I love textiles. I know I talk about it on my Instagram. I love textiles. I love all forms of it. I love lace, and so anytime I'm out thrift shopping, I always look at the books for one because I love the spines, and I always look at textiles. And I came across an amazing deal. So first thing, this huge bag of vintage lace. And she put vintage lace and it has $5 on it. Well, she was having, I found these first of all at a antique store, and she was having a 50% off sale on her booth. No, hers was 75% off sale on her booth. So 75% off $5 for this whole big bag. I mean, it's a bunch. Look at this. And it is, I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. So it's two different shades, and it's one of my favorite colors. I love this dusty rose color. I absolutely love it. So it's a whole bunch of that, and then a whole bunch of this other that's more of like a dusty rose blush pink color. So amazing deal, and I will definitely use this. So I walked around the rest of the place looking, and I always check this at one lady's booth because she always has amazing textiles, and she was having a sale too on her booth. So I don't know if other people just weren't buying it, but I snatched it up. So let me show you some of these beautiful things. Now, because I love textiles doesn't mean I know a lot of the terminology behind it, because I don't. So a lot of these little pieces, other people could tell you exactly what it is. To me, it's just beautiful, and I love it, and so I bought it. This one was originally priced $3, and I got it for 75% off. So the rest of these things I got for 75% off, and I'll tell you as I go how much they were. So this piece was originally $3, so I ended up getting it 75% off, and look how beautiful it is. Look at the gorgeous edges. You see it? Afterwards, I'm going to zoom in closer at all these, but first I just want to show you. So absolutely beautiful, beautiful handkerchief. This one she had marked for $1. So again, 75% off of $1. Can you believe it? And it's beautiful. Again, it's some of my favorite, sticking to the price, favorite colors, that dusty rose mauve color, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So I got that one. This one, this little crocheted piece, she had marked it as $1. Isn't it beautiful? So these are very old. You can tell they're old. I'm not sure how old, and it doesn't really matter because I love them. So there's that one. Actually, I'm going to leave it out so I can show you a closer look at the end. This one, she had marked as $1, and then it said as is. And honestly, as is, I don't care because it's beautiful. I mean, what do you mean as is? There's nothing wrong with this. Is it? Oh, that's why. It's got this little tear. But, I mean, for things I use it for, that little tear means nothing. So, absolutely beautiful. Next, we have this one. I kept it in the bag so I could remember the prices. This one she had marked for $2. Again, 75% off. I love it. So wait till you see. You probably can't tell very much when I'm holding it up like this, but wait till I zoom in closer. I probably should have did that instead of holding it up like this, but I'll definitely flip the camera around and show you. Then this one, she had marked for $4, and I thought, $4. But hey, 75% off, right? And I got these next to nothing. So it has the beautiful flower on it, the embroidered flower. So that's another thing. If you know how much I love florals. So textiles, florals, I mean, it had to come home with me. It just had to. So I had that one. Tell you, I hit the mother load on textiles for very, very cheap. This one, Pink Rose Mandaria, I'm not really sure. And this one she had marked for $10, so it was a little higher, but 75% off of 10. I mean, yeah, have to get it, right? And it's got the beautiful floral as well. And it's this old vintagey dusty rose pink color with the embroidered flower. So, handmade in Mandaria. That's what that means. I didn't know what Mandaria was, but absolutely beautiful. And then she had this huge bag, and I was like, what's that? It is placemats. So it is floral. It's got lace over the top, and it's absolutely amazing. So look how big these are. So this is probably, I don't know, I want to say 16 by 16. I'm totally guessing. Maybe 18 by 18. If I can get a ruler out. I was close, 20 by 20. So maybe it's not placemats. I'm not really sure what it is. But they are beautiful. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and actually there was 11 of them, but I've already used one in my prayer journal and as a gift for somebody else. So, but they are absolutely beautiful. So I'm definitely going to flip the camera around and give you a closer look. If you're not into textiles, then this definitely isn't a video for you, but they are absolutely beautiful. It was definitely worth buying, especially at such amazing sale prices. They had to come home with me. So I'm going to flip the camera around and give you a closer look. Okay, so here's a closer look at these beautiful textiles. These are the big pieces. And it's got the lace so it's like a double layer. I don't know if you can see that. But I've already have used one of these in my prayer journal, or pieces of one in a couple prayer journals, and they just are absolutely beautiful. So I also thought about using this as a backing to create fabric. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with this, but they were absolutely beautiful. And look at that up close. So there's those. This was the one that was most expensive, but it's still, I mean, that can't beat that price when it's on sale. Marked down so much. Look how beautiful that flower is. So this shows you how thin the textile is, and it's got this beautiful, this is like almost satin right here, and it's got the beautiful embroidery on it. So there's a closer look at that one. And then this one as well has the beautiful flower image embroidered on it. This one, okay, this one says it's a linen doily. I didn't see that before. A linen doily. That's pretty big. But I love it. I love the different texture of it. I love texture. Absolutely love texture. So, isn't it so pretty? There's that one. And this is the one that said as is because of this little bitty bit. But look how beautiful it is. Hopefully you can see a little bit better this way. And then here's the little crocheted one. And then I love this one. I love the texture of this one, the little bitty holes in it. I know there's correct words for this, but it's absolutely beautiful. The colors. And then we have this one. And I love the edges of this one. It's got the light pink. Actually, this is more light pink. This is more like a light purple and cream color around the edges. Look at that. Look at that design around it. So pretty. And then last we have the big, huge bundle, a huge bundle in this bag of the blush color and dusty rose lace. So I hope this view gave you a better look at these gorgeous textiles, because they are absolutely pretty in person and they are going to get so much love from me. So I actually have already sent some pieces of this in a Happy Mail swap. I received so much of it, and I did a textile swap with one of my friends, and I shared some of this beautiful stuff with her. And then I also used it in another Happy Mail swap on a prayer journal. Nanda, if you're watching this, this is the lace that I use to tie up your journal with. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's Thrifty Find video. I know I absolutely love these textiles. And as always, if you think something is trash, I mean, it may be trash. Some things are trash, but usually it's not. Try to donate it. Try to give it away. Take it to Goodwill, because what you view as trash is somebody else's treasure. For instance, that piece of textile that said "as is." It's beautiful as is. It's going to get so much love. So instead of throwing it away, try to give it away, donate it, something, because there's still so much life in these items. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and happy crafting.